dynamic verbs. These verbs are used when there is an actual action or process happening in a sentence. For example, he is playing golf. Here, the act of playing golf is an action being done by the subject. This action of playing golf can be physically seen by someone. She wears glasses. Here, the act of wearing glasses by the subject can be physically seen. Now let's learn what are stative verbs. These are the verbs that tell us about a state of mind of the subject or describe the situation he or she is in. They can also describe the relation between the subject and the object. These verbs do not tell about an actual action happening in a sentence. For example, he hates chocolate. Here, the hatred for chocolate describes the mental condition of the subject and not an action taking place. So, hates is a stative verb. The house requires a new coat of paint. Here, the subject is the house and the object is paint. The stative verb requires describes the relationship between the subject, the house, and the object, paint. So we learned that action verbs or main verbs are divided into 4 categories: transitive, intransitive, dynamic, and stative. Transitive verbs have an object after them. Intransitive verbs do not have an object after them. Dynamic verbs tells us about an actual action taking place. And stative verbs mention those actions which cannot be physically seen.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you want to see more fun videos, you can hit that subscribe button. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more content. Bye-bye!